Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see the next one. Already we saw the prose question answers. Today we are going to see the poem question answers. So in this poem question answers, I'm going to read out the question and answers for you. You just take it in your classwork. After that, today I will check in your classwork notes. Okay. So today I will give you the poem question answers as well as the supplementary question answers too. So you all must write everything in your note without fail. I'll check your note, so be careful. Write today's date and write everything neatly. In the prose question answers as well as the one word only I have taken for your class test. So be ready for your class test also. So study well for the prose questions. Study well for your class test. I have asked only the prose question and answers alone. That is the 5 question what I have gave for you. Okay. Sir Isaac Newton question answers alone and then 10 one words for you. So be thorough in for your test. Okay. Shall I read now? Okay. Listen me carefully and write down the question answers in your note clearly without any mistakes. What should we learn from every soul? From every soul we should learn some good qualities. From every soul we should learn some good qualities. What qualities will help us to brave the thickening ills of life? Courage and faith will help us to brave the thickening ills of life. That is, now I am reading is what I am reading now. Poem questions. Why should we make this life worthwhile? We should make this life worthwhile to enjoy the bliss of life. We should make this life worthwhile to enjoy the bliss of life. What does a poet assure if we make our life worthwhile? The poet assures heaven if we make our life worthwhile. Pick out any 2 lines of repetition from the poem. One gleam of faith, one glimpse of brighter skies. One gleam of faith, one glimpse of brighter skies. One gleam of faith and one glimpse of brighter skies. Now here filling the blanks. Already I gave this also book back. Okay. Again I am reading. We should have a gleam of faith in life. A bit of courage is needed for the darkening sky. One must have a glimpse of brighter skies to make the life worthwhile. To make the life worthwhile. Here figure of speech is repetition. Repetition is a literary device that repeats the same words or phrases a few times to make an idea clearer and more memorable. That is, it is used to emphasize a feeling or idea, create rhythm and bring attention to an idea. Okay. Example is they are given here. See, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. So these 2 lines are they have repeated again and again. Am I right? So and miles to go before I sleep. So this is called repetition. And miles to go before I sleep. So the poet author is who? Robert Frost is the poet author. Okay, I will finish this one. So you have to write this comprehension question, fill in the blanks and figure out speech. Okay. Name the poem and the poet. Who? The poem is Making Life Worthwhile by Robert Frost. Am I right? Okay. This is additional. I'm reading out. Just listen me. Name the poem and the poet. The poem is Making Life Worth by the poet is George Eliot. Sorry, not Robert Frost. The poet is George Eliot. What does the poet mean by the second line? The poet means some ambition which has not been felt yet. How can one face the darkening sky? One can face the darkening sky by showing a bit of courage. What do you understand by the phrase for the darkening sky? The phrase for the darkening sky refers to the helpless condition one may face. Okay. How can one brave the thickening hills of life? One can brave the thickening hills of life with faith. What is the phrase the thickening hills of life refer? The phrase the thickening hills of life refers to the extremity of social evils. Extremity of social evils. Okay, today you can write these 2 pages alone. Tomorrow I will give you the 3 questions, that is the supplementary answers, question and answers, and you have to finish those also. Okay, and then in the next unit I have finished the poem prose and poem I have finished. Only I have to take the supplementary alone, and I have to go through the book exercise also. So okay, first we have finished this first unit. Okay, that first unit we have to finish those question answers, and you should finish all those questions in your classwork, and I want to check your classwork also. After that you have to revise for your test. Okay, so today we will revise for our test in the live class. Tomorrow I will give you those questions. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Only these 2 pages I have given you. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. You must finish those, and I will check in your classwork today. Thank you.